Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the crypto world in 2025, knowing how to securely transfer your USDC from crypto.com to a Trezor hardware wallet is a must. Not only does this keep your assets safer from online hacks, but it also gives you full control over your funds. Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step, so you can do this with confidence. Let's get started. First things first, before we jump in, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a verified crypto.com account with some USDC in it, a Trezor hardware wallet that's already initialized, and the latest Trezor Suite app installed on your computer. Oh, and don't forget to have your Trezor device connected and unlocked. Security is key here. Alright, step 1. Log into your crypto.com app or website. Head over to the Wallets section and select your USDC balance. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. It's usually right there on the main screen. Next, you'll need to get your Trezor wallet address. Open the Trezor Suite app, connect your device, and navigate to the USDC wallet. This might be under Ethereum or another supported network since USDC is an ERC20 token. Copy the wallet address carefully. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Now, back in crypto.com, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Select the network. Make sure it's the same one your Trezor is using, like Ethereum mainnet. Enter the amount of USDC you want to transfer, and review the transaction details, including any fees. Hit Confirm, and approve it on your crypto.com account. Once that's done, the transfer will be initiated. It usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion in 2025. Keep an eye on your Trezor Suite app to confirm when the funds arrive. A quick pro tip. Always verify your wallet address by comparing it on both devices, and never share it with anyone. If you run into issues, like a failed transaction, check the network status or contact support from either platform. There you have it, folks. You've just securely transferred your USDC to your Trezor wallet. This simple step boosts your crypto security big time. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.